Everybody, I wanted to talk to you about a website that I came across called PDFCandy. And what's really nice about this website is we can take a PDF and convert it to a Google Doc. So, for example, I was on the illustrative seventh grade math site and I was pulling from these PDFs here. So, I'm going to open up this PDF of the problems and I'm going to download this. So, I have the PDF now saved onto my device. Now I'm going to go back to the PDFCandy website and I'm going to click on the PDF to docx. Next, I'm going to add a file, and if I had the PDF saved here on my Google Drive, I could pull it from there, or Dropbox. I'm not sure if anyone still uses that, but that's also an option. But I'm going to pull directly from my computer. I already have downloaded several of the illustrative math PDFs, so this is one that I'm going to pull right here. And I'm just going to click open. You'll notice that it might take a little bit of time to open, but the task is queued, and so we'll wait for this task to populate. Once the file has successfully converted to a docx, I can download the file, which will convert to a downloadable Word document. I can save it directly to my Google Drive, or you can see here that I already saved it to my test folder. So next I'll go back to my Google Drive and I will open up the folder that I saved the document. You'll see that I now have these two documents that were previously PDFs, but now they are saved as Google Docs. So take a look here. Has a W, so this is a kind of a Word document that's stored in your Google Drive, and then this is an actual Google Doc. So let me show you how to make that change. So when you move it to your Google Drive, it'll default to saving as a docx. And to change that, so you can see it's in a Microsoft Word format, all I have to do is go to File, Save as a Google Doc. Then in this folder that I had originally saved the file, that docx one now, I can just go ahead and delete because it's a duplicate. The reason that I am saving it as an actual Google Doc is because it could cause problems in the Word format if you were to share this via Schoology. So now I am in my Google Doc version of this PDF. You can see it's fully editable, so I can change things as far as the text. I can add new directions. I can change the font color. I could change the size of the images. And one of the benefits that I think we might be able to enjoy as an additional opportunity is now we can create Schoology assignments using this Google Doc to share out with students. And remember, with the Schoology Google Drive assignments, we can watch students work live and provide supports in real time, and also have a really easy way to keep track of who has submitted their work, who's in progress, and who hasn't even opened the document just yet. So if you need additional information about that, we can work on that together as well. So that is the quick little run through of how to convert a PDF to a Google Doc using PDFCandy. Please reach out if you have any questions.